How to choose your first HelloFresh meal plan. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you just sign up for HelloFresh, well here is how to choose your first meal plan right from the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap choose your meal plan or get started on the home screen. And after that, you simply have to select from options like meat and veggies, veggie, family friendly, quick and easy, and others too. So there choose how many people you are cooking for and how many recipes per week. And with that, you just have to tap on save and continue to lock in your plan and start picking meal. And that's it. Now your HelloFresh meal plan is set. So there you can enjoy cooking your first box. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.